Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how you can sell the stocks from a Pi on Trading 212 application. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Trading 212 app. Afterwards, you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, tap on your Pi section, and here you need to simply open that particular Pi in which you have the stock which you want to sell. So after doing so, you just have to simply just tap on the option of holdings, and here it is going to show the list of all of the stocks that you have. So you need to simply select that particular stock which you want to sell. After selecting it, you just have to tap on the option of sell. Now over here you need to use this slider in order to decide how much shares you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell the 5 shares of this particular stock. So you need to tap on the option of review order and tap on the option of send sell order. So this way you will be able to sell the stocks from a Pi on Trading 212 application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.